Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to straighten a crooked image using Photoshop CS6. I'm working on a Mac, so the appearance might be different slightly if you have a PC. Right here we have a picture of some women searching for something in the sand on the beach. If you look at the horizon carefully, you can see that it is crooked. It's tilted down on the right-hand side. Whenever you have a horizon that's clearly visible like this, it really is necessary to make that perfectly horizontal. It's one of the things that we perceive as being wrong with the picture if it's not corrected. There are a couple of ways you might do this. One way is to use your crop tool, which is already engaged. You can press the letter C, or you can find it here in the toolbar. It's the fifth tool down. When you go to the crop tool, what you'll do is you will put your cursor outside the frame of the picture, and it will become what looks to be like a bent arrow. When you click and hold outside, then you can begin to rotate this picture any number of degrees, and a grid appears which helps you line things up. Now, these are perfect horizontal and vertical lines, so one of the quickest ways is to look carefully and try and make the horizon match as closely as you can using your judgment so that it is as flat as one of the vertical lines. If you notice that the crop tool has fixed it so that as it turns it, the picture stays inside the boundaries and you won't have any blank material extending outside the picture frame. When you've got it looking what appears to be perfectly horizontal, you can go up here into your options bar. You can click the check mark. You can press the enter or return button. That will approve the transformation. Or you could double click inside the crop window like I'll do right now. And so there the horizon looks more or less pretty straight. Now, you may decide that you want to get things even more perfect than that. And what you could do is use the ruler tool. The ruler tool is nested below the eyedropper tool. That's the sixth tool down. If you click and hold, you can make all the other ones appear. So here's the ruler tool. What I'd like to do is zoom in a bit so that I can get a really good view. And when you click with the ruler tool and pull out, you get this line. And what you want to do is make this line extend following the horizon. Now, if you accidentally let go, like I just did, you can return and grab it some more. So it's not a problem. You can easily continue what you're doing. So I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to extend off the picture screen, which makes the picture move, and I'm going to put it down at the other end of the image where the horizon line meets the edge. So now I have my ruler making a line that goes from one corner to the other, duplicating the crooked horizon. This is a cue to the image rotation command. So I'm going to go to image rotate, and I'm going to select arbitrary. It's going to read what the ruler line has done, and it says that it's going to rotate it 1.06 degrees, and that will correct the crookedness. And you can test it with a ruler just to make sure you got it right. So I'll pull down a ruler which looks pretty close to what the margin should be. The next step in this is to crop out the white areas that have remained. Now, if you had used the crop tool to do this, you might not have been as perfectly precise as 1.06 degrees, but you also wouldn't have any of this white left over. So I'm going to switch to my crop tool, and I will pull in the corners until I have eliminated the white area that was showing up. I approved the transformation with the check mark. I did notice that I had one small amount up here. You can even see it in the corner where I didn't pull it down enough. So I'll go back, grab the edge, pull it down a little bit more, and then now my picture is straightened. So those are two ways to straighten crooked pictures: using the crop tool all by itself, or using the ruler tool in combination with image rotation. I hope that helps you. Get the horizon correct in your next photograph.